In the application, in Oracle Apex application, how to delete multiple pages, either one page, how to delete that particular page or multiple pages in the Oracle Apex. Let's go with the utility view. This is the UI. Everyone know about the UI. Okay, just go with the utilities in that particular application, not all over the workspace. Just go with the particular application. There are multiple options that you can observe that all things like attribute directory, application dashboard, advisory, advisor, app grid, application, recent updated pages. If you are forget what in which page you recently updated, you can get the all information about the updated pages. Database objects dependency, if there is a relation between multiple tables one to another, their dependency you will see here in the database dependency. Here is a chat history. If you are managing the something like team chat like that all chat will be stored in here. Here is the Oracle Apex views. If you are managing the views, manage backup. If you want to manage the backup of that particular application, you can manage the backup from here. These all are the font Apex icons, icon font, page checks, checksum, application checksum. All information is present here. You can change according to your requirement. Now, for the deleting multiple pages, for the single page, here is the cross page utilities. Just click on the cross page utility. Go with the here is a page lock also present. If you don't want to make it a unlock that page, you can lock that one page, but go with the delete multiple pages. Okay, just now here are the pre-built pages up to the 9992 20010. This is the number of pages. These are the pre-built pages when I create the application. At that time I installed it. Now for the deleting that pages, just choose the page numbers using that checkbox and just go with the delete page and delete it directly. It will delete directly from your application permanently, not for the temporary use, delete permanently. Now go with the application and check here. There are no other any pages present here. Just have a global page, home page and login page, and the pre-built pages which I have installed during the application creation. Now there is application, delete application, copy application, lock application. If you don't want, if you have what we can say, you are developing with a team and you have created your working copy and you don't need to show others. At that time you can lock your application using that lock option. Feature pages, as like these are the feature pages you can add. As like a see, you can add feature pages from here as well. There are the feature pages you can add. These are the component pages. These are legacy pages. The feature pages that you can add from here as well, and you can add feature page as well. Okay, here are some options that you can create a working copy here. As like suppose I mention here 001 name with the working copy. If you are doing some changes in the working copy, it will not directly appear in the main version of your application. There is, if you check here, here is the working copy, which is the 001, which I recently created. Okay, if you do any changes here, if you do any development, if you are going in something error in the application, if you are doing oh, whatever you do in the working copy, it directly not directly affect your main application. So that is the main one of the feature in Oracle Apex that create the working copy. You can create multiple working copies of the single application to do the changes. But after that, you have to merge into main. You have to merge that all changes in the main application. Without that, it not reflect in the main application. You can refresh it, compare changes. You can compare the changes as well. The main application and working copy application. You can compare that all changes using the compare changes. This is the main application. If you click the main application, it will directly redirect on main application. This is your main application. Suppose I run it. This is the main application. Actually, we deleted recently pages, so here is only 2 pages at present. Okay. So thank you for watching the video. I hope this helped you. Thank you.